Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, this windshield is really dirty. Got a lot of bug guts on it. And we're going to now have a chance to really put this BugSlide to the test. I was using it on this road trip.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
And I thought it did a really good job of making the bugs kind of, the guts melt off. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse this down with some plain water just to get the dust off the windshield. I don't like using a rag on a windshield with dust on it because I'm afraid it could cause micro scratches. Even though this is an F4 Customs and it has almost eliminated that possibility, I'm just going to rinse this surface dust off first. It's not going to take these bug guts off, trust me. You can see how the water sheds off that F4 Customs. They are amazing windshields. Now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to hit it with this BugSlide. Especially the parts that have a lot of bug guts on them. And I can already kind of see it melting away, these bug guts. Now, you don't have to worry about getting BugSlide on your paint or any other surface. It's completely safe. And I had the little bottle. They make a smaller bottle. Now I'm going to let that dwell for just a couple of seconds or a few seconds, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to wipe it off.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's see how it does. You can see that just comes right off. This is the kind of microfiber that comes with BugSlide. I'm telling you, this stuff is really pretty amazing, and it leaves behind kind of a slick surface. Now that's on the inside of the windshield, it's not on the outside. That's why it's not coming off. I'll have to hit a little bit on the inside of the windshield. You know, I reviewed this a while back, quite a while back, but I've never really had, until now, a perfect opportunity with a lot of bug guts to test it. And it really does come through. Just got to make sure I get it all off here. I mean, now the windshield pretty much looks like new. So I have a link for you in the description of this video if you want to order this BugSlide. It comes in two different sizes. This is the one I keep on the bike. So I have a link for you in the description of the video. It also works good on the headlights. You can use it on your painted surfaces as well, and it will help with bug guts, getting them off the paint. Not sure if you can see here, we've got quite a bit of bug guts on this windshield garnish. And even on the headlights. I'm going to go ahead and hit those areas as well. I have this bike ceramic coated. It will not harm the ceramic coating. I like to let it sit for a few seconds, just to let it kind of soak in and loosen those bug guts. You can see it just, they pretty much come right off. BugSlide not only makes it easier to clean off these bug guts, but it also leaves behind a slicker surface, making future cleanups much easier, even if all you have is a rag and water. BugSlide is also excellent for use on your helmet and your face shield. And of course, you don't want to forget these upper air deflectors. They get a lot of bugs on them as well. I think you guys know, if you follow the channel, I don't really recommend products unless I use them myself. This was the first road trip I've been on where I had a lot of bugs on the windshield, and I use this almost every day during this ride.